Hi everybody. Today I'm at Dairy Queen and I have an Oreo Brookie Blizzard in front of me. This is what I have. As far as I know, I never had one before, but there's Oreos. Kind of looks like a chocolate chip cookie or cookie dough. Could be wrong. And I think there's a brownie in there. So this is my first time eating one. And I've been wanting to eat this for a long time, or much less try it. So I'm gonna give it a try and see what's in there. So it kind of tastes like cookie dough. And I know there's Oreos in there too. It looks like there's a brownie in there as well. Yeah, I think it is a brownie. And this is definitely one of my personal favorite blizzards, other than the plain old Oreo and cookie dough blizzard by themselves. So this is probably like my new favorite. And of course you can build your own blizzard as well. And I'll definitely get this again. So if you like my video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll make more videos in the upcoming future. So take care, everyone.